What is up, Mr. Crazy 1870, and we're looking at the all-new GoPro Hero 7 in black. Now, nothing major in the packaging, pretty much the same standard, although you do have a 7 on the front side. All right, so up first, we are greeted with the GoPro Hero 7, and you're also gonna get a step-by-step info on how to remove the GoPro from the base, which is pretty simple and it's pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to do. Besides the camera, you also get a quick start guide, which is gonna give you a rundown on how to set things up. You have 2 GoPro stickers, a thick booklet on some safety info, 2 extra adapters, charging cable, and your battery. Coming back to the Hero 7 Black, now you do have a couple of colors to choose from. I believe you have a white, silver, and the black, which I have here in my hands. Now, comparing it to the Hero 5, everything pretty much looks the same design-wise. All your buttons and ports, except the color and the number 7 on the side of the camera, which is gonna let you pretty much tell the differences on what model you have. The main differences you're gonna see is on the inside. You're gonna get better image quality, HDR, and also noise reduction, which is a plus. Video stabilization has also been improved, which is super awesome. So according to GoPro, you get no more shaky video. So that's just a quick hands-on. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out, stack it up against the Hero 5, and pretty much see if it's worth the upgrade. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos, hit the bell icon next to the sub button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.